Oh, welcome back, sweet little learners. It's Miss Hake. This is our last literacy lesson of the week, and we have been talking all about the letter M and the sound M makes. It reminds me when I'm hungry or I smell something delicious. So there are two videos that we're watching. One was the letter M book, and in the back you will notice there's all sorts of pictures of objects that start with the letter M. So what's going to happen is you are going to go on a letter M hunt. You're going to have the pictures on a piece of paper with a blank line next door to it. And then you are going to go find the picture and print the name of the object beside it. So facilitators, you're going to have to collect some pictures of things that start with M. Check out the book first, draw some or photocopy some or get some from clip art, hide them around the house or the classroom, make a master sheet just like this. If you were going to hide the moon, we've done this before with Miss Hake when we read and write the room. Give them spaced right, and when they find the picture of the moon, they can print moon. Now, sometimes little learners need more help with their printing skills, so that's when I always have two sheets prepared, one that's blank and one that has the dot to dot of the word. So you don't need to go scouring for these worksheets. They're easy enough to make. Moon, marbles, monkey, matches. Pick about 6 objects and go and hide them around the room. The children just love finding them. They have a little clipboard. They find them and they print them and then they come back. The second activity is a marble run. So you'll notice that in Olive and the Rescue Crew, they talked about marbles, and I've put a marble run video. So before they create their marble run, you will need Play-Doh and some marbles, and you can talk about how the cookie sheet or whatever you're using to put on it has to be slanted, but it'd be really cool if they designed a title for their marble run. So what would you name your marble run? Mine might be slip and tip marble run. So you can think of a really cool name for your marble run, and you can create it on a piece of paper to put it on top of the marble run you create. Now remember, when you are creating your marble run on your surface, it needs to be a little slanted. So this table won't quite work. I'm going to go down and get a cookie sheet. But wouldn't it be cool if you incorporated all the lines that we talked about? Straight line. Ooh, I'm so excited. Just like in the video. A squiggly line. Oh, that almost looks like the letter S. What about if I tried to put a letter M? See what the marble did around that. Ooh, you can try so many different things and see what path the marble makes. Yeah. Oh, my M's almost finished. Blue's here. Can everybody see Blue? He wants to eat my Play-Doh, but we don't eat Play-Doh, do we, Blue? No, we don't. So maybe my marble will dip down in here and it will tilt out there. I don't know. But make sure you have cookie sheets or flat surfaces like whiteboards for your little learner to play on, and a marble to keep seeing if they can make their marble run in all different ways. Creating big fat M's is really cool. Creating swigglies and lines is really cool too. All right, have a fun time creating your sign for your marble run and creating your marble run today. Ooh, this is going to be so much fun. Loving the letter M. Bye.